So here, where I'm standing, was the GrooveOn production office. And as you can see, there isn't much left of it. And that's because I completely stripped it down. I've completely rebuilt it and redesigned it. And I've now moved it halfway across my garden over here. And here is my new production office. And there isn't much in the way of power in there at the moment because I haven't completely finished it, but I can still use this incredible tool. Have a look at this. So this here is a power bank by the company ASPERX. Let's get the box open. You can see just what this astonishing little product is all about. It's a solid build, that's for sure. So this is the AXP200 power bank, and it's got a 60,000 milliamp hour battery on it. To charge it, it comes with this lovely braided USB-C to USB-C cable. Nice, clear instruction manuals of the functions, and it has no less than 10 built-in smart safety features, some of which are overcharge protection, over current protection, reset protection, over voltage protection. In terms of the spec, you've got a 12.8 volt, 15 amp hour or 192 watt hour battery capacity. Let's talk about the outputs on this device, and they're clearly marked on the front here. On the front here, on the left-hand side, you've got the option of actually adding solar power adapters there. And that's what the DC1 and the DC2 will give you, which is a 20 to 60 volts or 100 watts input, and the DC2 has an output of 12 volts at 5 amps. In the middle here, we've got your common USB-Cs, and you've got the input and output on the top, and then you've got a USB-C1, which is 140 watt output. And what this actually means is you can actually power a computer, a phone, but it also automatically understands if you're charging the unit. You can do that also by the USB-C. Your USB-As, same idea, you've got an output and you've got 18 watts of power that you can actually plug into. Let's power the unit on. Straight away, it's a lovely crystal clear screen. In fact, let's do a little screen peel for you. This screen is excellent. It takes all the guesswork out of it and it tells you everything you need to know. We've got a 56% battery charge in there. We've got nothing plugged in and we've got nothing coming out. So therefore the wattage is 0. And at the bottom there, it gives me a remaining time of 86 hours and 57 minutes. There's nothing plugged in at the moment. Let's go straight into having a look at the light. When you turn it on, you'll notice along the top there, it started to illuminate. And you're thinking, well, that's not very good. What are you going to do about that? Check this out. Now you've got this excellent light which will just glow the area. It's designed that it will diffuse the light rather than being pinpoint. Press it one more time. We now have a brighter light, and it says on the bottom there that the output is 2 watts, but we've still got 87 hours and 57 minutes remaining using this light as it is. Press it again and we go into an SOS mode. The material that this is made of is a really robust, tough plastic. It's not going to crack on you. It has this carry strap, which is the same material that you use on a seatbelt, but if you want to, you can actually remove that as well. I'm going to show you exactly how I've been using this in my new GrooveOn office, doing all production work in there, but this is enough to power up my computers. Welcome to my new GrooveOn production office. It's getting there. Made this myself, and there's a video coming up very soon, but we're not going to talk about that today. We're going to talk about this incredible ASPERX light and how I've been using this in here to actually keep going with doing my video editing. Actually, this video I've done in here. So here we go. Welcome to the GrooveOn production office. It's not very glamorous, I know, but it'll get there. And look at all the devices I've got plugged in. I haven't got any mains power. This is all purely running off the ASPERX. Everything you see here, just give an idea of the type of power that this can provide. I've got 2 laptops running here, and this one here, this takes a hell of a bit of power to actually run it. This isn't your standard laptop. It's quite a powerful unit, yet it's still working absolutely fine. I've got my diagnostic tools, of which I've got many. That's been charged up and powered. Of course, I've got my mobile phone. I've also got my battery chargers for the microphones that I'm using, and I'm even charging a little torch as well. And I'm powering this light. Everything is off the ASPERX Power Bank. If I turn off the light there at the top, you'll see that this still gives me ample amount of ambient light to be able to see what I'm doing. And importantly, on the front, this is such a handy little feature. It tells your life status of what you've got left in the battery that this ASPERX can provide. And this is what I love, having this screen on the front here, because it tells you exactly where you are at all times. And it's saying that I'm putting around about 30 watts, 53% of which I have 3 hours and 29 minutes remaining. And if this had been charged full, then obviously that's going to be double that. So you can see it's more than capable of providing all of this power. So I'm really impressed with the ASPERX Power Bank. It's literally kept my YouTube channel running. As you can see, I'm completely remote, I got no power, yet it doesn't stop me thanks to what the power the ASPERX can provide. There's links below for you and hope you'll get some discounts, and maybe on the next video, I'll have some proper power in my GrooveOn production office. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you on YouTube.